In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Hostinger domain name. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Once you're inside, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account page where all of your services are visible. This is where you'll be able to manage your domains and related settings. Next, go to the Domains section. In most cases, you'll find this in the main navigation area of your Hostinger dashboard. Click on Domains so you can view the list of domain names connected to your account. If you have more than one domain, make sure you choose the specific one you want to work with, since the changes you request will apply only to that domain. After that, find the domain you want to change and click Manage. This will open the settings and management options for that particular domain. Take your time here and double-check that you've selected the correct domain before moving forward. That's especially important if you manage multiple websites, because you don't want to make changes to the wrong one by mistake. Once you're on the domain management page, look for the Auto Renew setting and toggle it off. This step is important because it helps prevent the domain from renewing automatically while you're working through the change process. At the same time, make sure you keep your subscription active as instructed. In other words, you're turning off automatic renewal, but you're not cancelling the service itself. That distinction matters, so be careful not to accidentally remove anything you still need. After that, click Ask AI. This is the support option you'll use to begin the request. When the chat opens, send a simple message explaining that you want to change your domain name. Keep your message clear and direct so the support system can guide you properly. From there, just follow the instructions provided to you. The exact guidance may vary depending on your domain status, registration details, or what options are available on your account. As you go through the process, read each instruction carefully before confirming anything. If Hostinger asks for verification or gives you specific next steps, make sure you complete them exactly as shown. That will help the process go smoothly and reduce the chance of delays. And that's it. That's how to begin changing a domain name in Hostinger using your account dashboard and the built-in support option. Follow the prompts carefully, and you should be able to complete the process without much trouble.